Hey guys, how's it going? It is Friday now, and yeah, we just got through Hurricane Matthew, so sorry about that, folks. There won't be any new videos today. But yeah, look at our screen is broken. There's a pole, one of the pillars there that's supporting our screen that popped off. Our barbecue grill. So in case you need to cook. But yeah, hey guys, I survived. Got my rosary with me. Thank God this house is still in one piece. Yeah, we moved all the furniture out of the way. So yeah, all our couches is away from the windows. Luckily, none of the windows shattered all night. If you want to see outside, let's see. Take a look outside. So we still got some winds going in. You can see the trees swaying back and forth. I went to go pick up my mom from the hospital. I was actually alone last night, but she was stuck at the hospital, so all the traffic lights are out. So it's still a little bit of a gust. Sleeping outside. No power at all, so nothing. So we got 2 coolers. We just stopped by to grab some ice. Shockingly, there was a place where I could like just put in a couple bucks and a bag of ice comes out. So that was convenient. We still got a lot of stuff in the fridge though. It's getting warm. Hopefully we get power up soon. But yeah. Everything looks like crap. So yeah, I won't be filming at all this weekend. If anything, I'll probably just upload this video so you guys know I'm not BSing that I was in this situation. Let's go step outside, I guess. You guys see what's going on outside. You guys see? Oh crap. There's a frog on my door. And he just hopped away. See that? There's a frog on my door. Yeah, it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. We're not completely done with the hurricane yet, but you could tell the trees are swaying still. Oh, that tree tilted. Sorry for the crappy manual focus. But yeah, I don't want to get my camera too wet, so this is as far as I'm going to go. Our neighbors have a backup generator. Sadly, we can't afford one, but yeah. It's very gloomy out today. I wish I could have recorded the drive to the hospital, but sadly I don't have a cell phone right now at the moment either. It just conveniently broke down right before the hurricane. Literally, like, I'm getting a replacement phone. That's what I mean by it broke. Like, the fact that it won't even charge, and I only had it for 10 months, but apparently LG's like had some crazy stuff going on with their cell phones. But anyways, yeah, just a quick update for you guys. Alright, I'll catch you guys later.